You've come a long way from understanding digital products and PLR to building a funnel, launching your first product, and learning how to market and scale it all. In this final module, we're going to show you how to turn your digital product side hustle into a reliable recurring income system that generates sales every single month, even when you're not actively working. Because making a few sales is great, but building predictable income? That's true freedom. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Start with a repeatable funnel. Once you've launched one product successfully, use the same funnel structure for your next one. The work is already done. You just swap out the product and the messaging. The more offers you build using this template, the faster your income compounds. Step 2. Set up evergreen content. Create social media posts, videos, or blog articles that keep working for you long after you post them. Focus on SEO keywords, Pinterest pins, or YouTube content that gets discovered over time. For example, a video on how to budget on a low income can generate traffic to your budget planner for years. A pin that says Free Self-Care Journal for Women can send opt-ins to your funnel every day. Step 3. Launch a subscription or digital club. You can set up a monthly offer like Printable of the Month Club, Mindset and Money Toolkit subscription, Self-Help Journal library membership. Each month, you release new content, most of which can come directly from the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault. You don't need to create new content from scratch. You simply package it differently, add value, and deliver it with consistency. Step 4. Automate your delivery and promotion. Use email sequences, scheduling tools, and product delivery platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Systeme.io to run your funnel on autopilot. Step 5. Stack your income streams. This is the magic of digital products. You can earn from your own products. Affiliate commissions, subscription revenue course sales bundled, offers flash deals and limited time promos. Each one might start small, $5 here, $27 there, but over time, they stack into something substantial. And the key is consistency. If you show up for your business, even for just 30 to 60 minutes a day, you can build a system that supports you for years to come. You're not just selling PDFs, you're building a brand, building trust, and building financial freedom on your terms. And if you're using the done-for-you WordPress website and the ultimate digital cash flow vault, you already have 90% of what you need. The rest is action. And you've already proven you're serious by making it this far. And now, a huge congratulations. You've officially completed the Digital Profits Academy. You've learned how to create, brand, and sell digital products. You've built a funnel, discovered powerful marketing strategies, and learned how to turn this into a real, recurring income stream. But your journey doesn't end here. As part of this course, you also have access to a complete suite of courses and ebooks inside the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, all designed to support you on your PLR and digital product journey. Now that you've finished the core training, you can dive into the vault anytime to refresh, learn new skills, or get inspired whenever you need to. The link to access the vault is waiting for you below this video. So now it's time to take action, launch your first offer, build momentum, and start turning knowledge into profit. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. And once you do, the results will follow. This is your moment. Go make it happen.